Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the beautiful state of Maryland. Alright, so on today's vlog, we are going to be unwrapping the scooter. Yes, that's right. We're going to be unwrapping the Ruckus and all the parts, and we're going to show you what color it is. I know you probably can see it a little bit, but I'm going to show you in the sunlight, and it looks awesome, guys. I'm really excited to show you. But for me to start putting that back together, I need some Loctite, which I forgot about. So I need some Loctite. I need screws to put the ignition back in, because if you remember back at the one episode that I had to take the security screws out, and obviously one, we're not putting security screws back in, I already threw them away, but two, well, obviously, well, if I threw them away, I need them, right? So we're gonna take the El Camino out, go get some food, go get some Loctite and screws, and then we'll come back. We'll take the scooter out of its wrap, and you guys get to see its color. Guys, it's awesome. It really is. I think it's great. I was trying to do a color that has yet to be done, which is really hard in the Ruckus world, because obviously Ruckus has been around for 20 years already. One. Two is a lot of the awesome looking colors have been taken, and they've been done. So this is me trying to do something that hasn't been done, and I'm sure somebody's going to comment, it's already been done. Well, you know what? Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. There's how many different colors of powder coat out there? Like 20,000 colors. So, I mean, I think I found one that hasn't been taken yet. So, well, without further ado, let's get this out of the way and get this out. So we're gonna go get some Loctite from Home Depot and grab some food. Unfortunately, it is Sunday, which you guys all know because it's Sunday, and well, Chick-fil-A is closed, so no Chick-fil-A for me today. But I think I know where we're gonna go for lunch. It's not. It honestly, it does not disappoint. Honestly, I kind of like it more than Chick-fil-A, anyways. So yeah. Well, just check out, I love living in, the Chesapeake area, because just check out these views. A lot of people are on their boats today. Why not? It's so beautiful out today. It's gorgeous. And we have arrived at Home Depot. So let's go find a parking spot far away from people, because honestly, it looks kind of busy. Okay, boys, we got secured the screws, so it's too busy right there to go look on the thread locker, which is an aisle 7. And then I think we need to pick up some wet dry for the Corvettes, the damper, just for the humidity outside. So get thread locker and damper. Thread locker red.
It wasn't my favorite, was it?
Oh, that's right. This is blue. Cool. And come over here. Damper red. Where is the refill packs? Okay, that's all we need. We are good to go. Let's get out of here. Alright, mission accomplished, guys. Got everything we needed at the Home Depot. Now go grab some food and go back, start tearing that Ruckus back up. I guess not tearing it up, putting it back together, but it's such a beautiful day. It really is. It's gorgeous out here. El Camino. So I'm here waiting. I'm at Mission BBQ because America. But no, so if you're not from Maryland or the states that have it, you guys are missing out. Mission BBQ is actually started here in Maryland, up in Glen Burnie, so not too far from me, but it's definitely a place to go. So I'm just here waiting for my food to come out, but this place is busy. They got some signs on some of the tables for social distancing, so I've closed a couple, decent amount of them, but hey, if it allows me to come in and enjoy my favorite food at one of my favorite establishments, I'm all right with that. It's kind of weird sitting down and eating a meal at a restaurant because I haven't done this in a long time. So while we wait for my food, why don't you guys let me know what is or what will or what has been your first meal out of quarantine at a restaurant. So what restaurant did you first go to? Did you go to, like, you know, a nice sit down? Did you guys go get a steak dinner? Did you guys, like me, go get some barbecue? Like, what was the very first place you went after quarantine to eat inside of a restaurant? Let me know down in the comments below. Yes, look at that, boys. North Carolina pulled pork sandwich, coleslaw, got my fries, got my vinegar from North Carolina. Alright, I'm not gonna eat in front of you guys, so I'm gonna enjoy my meal and then we'll be off back to the house to start putting the Ruckus together. I don't think I can explain it enough of how much I love living in this area and these beautiful views of the water and everything on these bridges. Like, it's just gorgeous. Alright, so here we go, guys. Front frame, rear frame. Got my Loctite. Oh, you know what? One second, I forgot one thing. Alright, and actually, I got one more surprise for you guys. Just came in the mail the other day. Let's see what these little bad boys are. Okay, check those out. The little frame caps go on the go right here, right there. Bam! Cover up the bolt to go right there. Check them out. Cool looking too. Got the rabbit on there. Why not? Give a big thank you to scootertuning.ca up in Canada. So if you want to go check them out, link in the description below. Alright, that's where I got a lot of the parts from. So I got these for that, so when this goes back together, so that's when the engine goes in. So let's get this unwrapped, get that thread locker in, start putting this together. Now we're thinking. Now we're rolling. Alright, so it seemed like a really cool and awesome idea to do it on the sun. Two things. One, It's like 78 degrees and like humidity, it feels like 90, and well, I'm sweating a lot already. I need to get a drink. Yeah, no, bad idea. And on top of it, on the driveway, it's a little sloped, and that thing keeps trying to slide. So, bad idea. Good intentions, bad idea. Alright, so here we go. Here we got the frame. This awesome coral. We're good to go there. And let's continue putting this bad boy back together. Alright guys, back. So, hammer. Alright guys, back. Got the hammer, got some brake life, and metal board. So, we're going to take the metal board, now place it over the bearing race, and just... Almost there. Hey! Got a little bit more, but it was starting to drag on the ground, so I didn't want to continue with it. There we go. Cool. Done. Okay, so after thinking about it just a little bit, we're gonna put the frame on this because it has 3 bolts, so we have some stability, and then we'll put the front forks on, so at least we got kind of a scooter together, and that won't get scratched. That's gonna be the main thing. No paint gets scratched. So rock on. So let's get this on here and go from there. Alright guys, so I already kind of did a bunch of stuff already. I already did the torquing and I put the front forks on. I still got other stuff I got to do, but I did jump ahead without you guys. My battery did die, so I had to throw you guys on the charger. I need to get another battery for my 5 or get another GoPro entirely instead of trying to use the 3 and the 5, because I do see the difference in the, what do you call it? So, but there. Check that out, guys. We got the front on. Oh, we kind of got that coming back together. So, not too bad. I'm gonna finish up today without you guys. I'm just gonna put a couple of the other stuff back together. Put the fuel pump probably back on with the bracket there. Put the coolant back on right there. Kind of straighten everything else up, and I'm gonna pretty much put it back and call it a day for today. Still have to go back to Home Depot and go grab the other 2 screws, so I'm probably gonna do that. Maybe we'll do that on Thursday. Go grab those 2 screws so you have them. Obviously return the packet I didn't destroy. But yeah, I think it's coming back together great. What do you guys think? You like the color? Do you not like the color? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, well this is going to effectively end today's vlog. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, I really would appreciate it, honestly. I need it. We need to go smash that like button for me. You like this video or not? Just come on. You just help a guy out, please. Please. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Still like 99% of you aren't subscribed. Why not? You guys are enjoying the content. You guys are coming back week in and week out. Why aren't you subscribed? So just do me a favor. Do me a flavor. Smash that subscribe button for you. My promise to you is I'm going to continue giving you guys great content. I'm going to see this thing done here in the next few weeks. Going to work on it little by little by little. And yeah, and hopefully not die in this this heat because it's hot. Alright guys, well like I said, this ends today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys hopefully on Thursday. Peace out. And if not, on Sunday.